Reinstated Deputy Governor of Edo State, Right Honorable Comrade Shaibu, don carry waka enter in hometown for Jattu, Esako West for Edo North to jollificate with him people on top in victory for the court judgment of impeachment. Belle with the people as they pack come out plenty to come receive and welcome their own. They come follow join body with Oga Shaibu as in carry waka around the town for one road show. Oga Shaibu and team come also carry waka enter Jattu market to sympathize with the people and know the extent of the damage of the incident where heavy rainfall for 4 trees will destroy the market and buy some people. For in talk with Tori people, Oga Shaibu come here and say he don't come to strategize with the people on how them go take fix Naija. Sake of say they're not ready to mourn Naija and say together we go fix Naija as them now for democracy. He constantly talk say.
Now that I'm back home, like you had today, we are not ready to mourn Nigeria. We are ready to fix Nigeria, and together we'll fix Nigeria. We are not anti-democracy. We are for democracy, and we are for the unity of our country. Nigeria will not burn. We will save Nigeria, and we will work to fix Nigeria.
The road show can continue as the people join body with Oga Shaibu and team. They sing, dance and jolly all the way to in house. Make una not forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We know the take blame. From Jattu in Edo North of Edo State, Ekata Ojesele, TMC TV News.